Look at this. Pistol. So, let me just set this up. If you look at it, it's normal, right? Mag comes out. Bro. Mag comes out. It comes back in. Look at that. That. Silencer. Technique. It's just really cool. I really like it. See y'all in the next video.